I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Unity 3D project and importing the 360 MP4 file into Assets. This gets your raw media into the editor. Next, make sure you have either the standard or universal render pipeline installed so materials and shaders render correctly. Once done, create a new material set to a skybox/panoramic shader and set the texture to your video. This step links the file to visuals and makes it possible to map the video onto a sphere for immersive playback. You now create an empty game object and add Unity's video player component, set its source to video clip, and drag your imported clip. Create or import an inverted sphere. Either flip normals in a 3D tool or use a sphere with negative scale, and place the main camera at the center. Then create a render texture asset, assign it to the video player's target texture, and apply that render texture to your sphere's skybox/panoramic material. This routes decoded video frames onto the sphere surface for viewing. You finish by enabling playback, toggle play on awake or call video player. Play from a small controller script so you control start and seek. Add UI buttons for play, pause, and a slider to control time and volume. This improves testing and user experience. Make sure the main camera uses a clear background and is inside the sphere. If you see a black screen, check the video player target is set to the render texture. Confirm render texture resolution matches expectations, and verify the material's shader supports the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.